In this video, I will be showing you how to use Napkin AI to visualize a business plan. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting blank napkin to start with a fresh canvas. Now I'm pasting in the text for my business plan project verdant and scrolling through to ensure all the key sections are present. To make this content more engaging, I'll click the spark icon next to the text to generate some AI suggestions. I can browse through various styles in the sidebar and then pick the specific design that best represents my data. For my implementation strategy, I'll head into the Categories menu, select Business Frameworks, and choose a funnel layout. Now I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll click Ungroup so I can move individual elements, change the icon colors to match my branding, and update the font style to Roboto Mono. Next, I'll generate a segmentation diagram for the market breakdown section to make those numbers easy to read at a glance. To save my work, I'll click Share and export the entire document as a single-page PDF. I also want to use these visuals in a slide deck, so I'll go back to the Share menu and export them to PowerPoint. When I open the PPT file, you'll see that the visuals remain fully editable and ready for a professional presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI to visualize a business plan.